You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -1/2. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by 6 opening brace x closing brace to the power of opening brace 2 closing brace. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply by 0. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 1 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 2. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is x equals -1/2.